Types of men who are not worth it. Each person owns their destiny and their happiness. As women in a moment of life, we seek the company of a couple, and you must recognize the type of man that does not worth having by your side. There are women who for years have in their minds who they consider to be the ideal man, and this may be more physically related, but is better not having someone who only takes away and does not add up in life. It is not worth the man who 1. He only looks for you when he needs you. The first connection may be of interest that seems to complement you. The problem is that there are those men who only do it at certain hours of the day, that their interests are always first, and you realize that he is somewhat selfish. 2. The one who goes from one lie to another. Confidence in speaking with the truth is an important point that makes relationships something prosperous, but however minimal the lie, it creates a snowball. It is not worth finding the man who has a double face, since you will be relating with two types of people. 3. Who does not include you in his plans. Everything is a process, of course, is that when you start a relationship, integration with family, friends, plans and more go slowly, but you should not be with someone who appears to be unmarried before others, or who seems embarrassed to be with you, or who does not land plans with you neither short nor medium term. 4. He never knows what he feels and wants. It seems that he walks aimlessly. The problem is that he does not let you move forward. He says he needs you, but he does not want to walk with you, nor does he establish his feelings. If he loves you or not, it seems that the situation frustrates him, but he has the special touch to calm you down even if time passes and even if you don't see a promising future. 5. The one who doesn't take care of you unless in bed. You can find a man to spend a casual moment, but even so, if this leads you to bed and he does not want to put on a condom, stop. Why? There are those who give excuses as silly as he does not feel anything with it or he does not like it but does not think about you and your health. Be alert if he only looks from you to take you to bed. This affects when this is not what you really want. It does not worth a while of pleasure for a life of suffering when you do not have the same interests in mind. If you want to learn more about the types of men who are not worth it, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.